Tired of your videos sounding like they were recorded inside a tin can? Today, we're silencing that subpar audio by connecting a Blue Yeti microphone to your Nikon D3500. First, let's talk about necessary equipment you'll need: your Blue Yeti microphone, the Nikon D3500 camera, a USB cable for the Blue Yeti, and most importantly, a 35mm TRS to TRS cable. Begin by connecting your Blue Yeti to your computer via USB. This will power the microphone and allow you to adjust its settings. Navigate to your computer's audio settings, ensure the Blue Yeti is selected as the input device, and adjust the recording level. A good starting point is around 50%, but you may need to adjust this based on your environment and voice level. Now, take your 35mm TRS to TRS cable and plug one end into the headphone jack on your Blue Yeti. This jack serves as the audio output for monitoring. Plug the other end of the 35mm TRS to TRS cable into the microphone input jack on your Nikon D3500. It's usually located on the side of the camera. Turn on your Nikon D3500 and navigate to the audio settings. In the menu, ensure that external microphone is selected as the audio source. Do a test recording. Speak into the Blue Yeti and review the footage on your D3500. Listen carefully for clear audio. Adjust the microphone gain on the Blue Yeti itself if needed, avoiding clipping or distortion. With these steps, your Nikon D3500 videos will now boast crisp, professional quality audio, making your content truly shine. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.